I think the initiative taken by UPES to have experts in the field on their advisory board is a very good and positive step. It's a progressive step for the reason that once you have representation of eminent speakers in the field, then you get overall perspective of the entire spectrum of the legal profession. Our interaction with the students was fantastic. I did not expect that kind of reaction from the students. They are very, very involved in the studies. They were so inquisitive to know more about the profession. Our interaction made them little bit more comfortable to know that there are several streams that they can explore when they become lawyers. They don't need to really be so worried about their career path. The only key is hard work and sincerity in whatever they do, they will excel. So UPS is anyway giving them a field, a platform where they can be experts in their fields already. They have an edge over other students. My interaction personally was very, very good. Right now when we were walking in, a lot of students again came up and they said that we would like to know more about the sector that you're working in, what are the challenges, how can we cope up with it, how can we be equipped to deal with the challenges, etc. So it was very nice.